This video shows you how to construct a cavity slider frame from Kitset for a hallmark cavity slider. The Kitset comes with all parts required for a complete unit. 1 closing jamb, 2 split jambs, 1 top track, a fittings pack with instructions, 2 head jambs, 6 pocket rails, 1 back stud and 1 bottom plate. Tools you'll need are a nail gun and 16mm brads, a clamp, a mallet and a screwdriver with number 2 square drive bit. Take the back stud. Starting at the bottom end, which is the end that doesn't have the fixing holes, insert the bottom plate using the end which doesn't have the T-guide and press it into place so that the aluminium ends are a tight fit. Secure in place with 16mm brads. Use a clamp to secure the frame so that your work area is stable. Take 3 pocket rails. The end notches will fit into the groove in the back stud. With the notches facing out, place them 600mm from centre to centre for fixing wall linings. Repeat on the other side. If you offset them by 20 or 30mm, it provides the ability to get a drill bit into the gap for fixing to a wall if needed. Take the split jambs and remove the screws from both ends. Make sure you have the cutout end facing towards the top of the frame. Line up with the rails on both sides, then press into place. The notches will fit inside the aluminium so that you'll hear it click into place as they are properly seated. It's a tight fit, so you may want to use a mallet. Don't hit from the top timber edge, use the mallet on the aluminium edge. When you look down the length of the jamb, you'll see that the flush side is the inside pocket side and the wall lining side is facing out. Repeat on the other side. Knock the bottom plate in place to close the gap. Then take the screws you removed from the jambs earlier and, using the end guide holes which align with the holes in the jamb, screw the joint tight. Check the frame is square. And check that the distance between the rails is 600mm, then fix into place. Remove the clamp to lie the frame flat. Take the top track and remove the screws at the back end. Fit the top track between the jambs and screw into place. If correctly fitted, the holes will align at the back end of the track. The end holes are for attaching the track for cavity sliders with no soft close, and the inner holes are for attaching the track for cavity sliders with soft close. Insert the jamb spreader to keep the jambs spaced and secure until you're ready to fit the door. The closing jamb will attach to the top track when you're ready to complete the install. However, if you're freighting the frame to a different location, then keep the remaining parts together by strapping them to the frame for transporting. To complete the frame construction, remove the top track screws, then attach the closing jamb to the top track. If you're constructing a hallmark classic cavity slider, then placing head jambs is the final step after the frame and the door are installed. If you are constructing a hallmark Cav 0 cavity slider, then there are no head jambs to fit because the Cav 0 track has the jambs attached.